Okay, mate. This is a clone of a 381 still. I retrofitted this with a clone cylinder of a 380. Now it's an eBay special, it's cheap. And the more I think about the way this thing looks when I pull it apart, it's like an old Briggs & Stratton four-stroke motor. There's so much aluminium dust on the piston. It feels like the chrome lining on the cylinder or the nick itself, whatever it is, has come off. Well, I'm going to see how she goes, how long it will last, just to see how the numbers work, how the port works in this thing. I've got to buy a good cylinder, so we'll see if she starts. Second heat cycle. I went from 1 ring to 2 rings, but I think I'll get more power out of 2 rings, but it won't last. I know this cylinder will blow up sooner or later, but I might as well try it out and see how she goes. Make sure you guys can see that. No decon valve on this. Oh, choke, Kevin. There you go. You're putting finger fingers in. Cool. Alright. Take it down to the wood yard and do some cutting. This sounds better, but yeah, I don't know how this motor will go or how long it will last, but interesting to watch.